Green Meadow inspires students for life. Graduates emerge ready to lead with integrity, turn their ideas into meaningful actions, and meet global challenges. Senior projects are just one of the many ways in which students are given an opportunity to turn their ideas into meaningful actions. Each summer, before their senior year, the 12th graders begin to research a possible project. Their goal is to follow an interest that will challenge them to learn new skills, expand their creative palette, and see a project through to completion. In the subsequent months, the students work with a mentor to deepen their knowledge of their chosen topic and fully immerse themselves in the work of their projects. After months of hard work, reflection, and perseverance, the seniors proudly present their final projects to the school community. The multitude of senior projects that have been created over the years, from projects presented by our many graduates to the projects created by our soon-to-be graduates, have left a lasting impression on future seniors who will embark on a similar journey.